inkinga. Okokuqala wena usitreat kabi. Into yesi2 udla amadoda ethu. Udla amadoda ethu. Udla amadoda ethu.
La. Proof. Ilethe ke, let's proof him.
See ama text owasendela amadoda ethu batshela ukuthi bahlangane nawe emahotela. And then uza la uzoqamba manga phambi kwabantu.
Hey, what's up, good people? We are back again with another episode of ANGIYITHANDILENTO with your one and only boy, MTB. Now, you know, different stories, different episodes, but one presenter. Now, I'm going to and tell us what don't you like about who is doing. Mhlawumbe umuntu wakho or boyfriend yakho umngane wakho mhlawumbe iboss yakho mhlawumbe umsebenzi wakho emsebenzini yini angayithandi le wena yena akayenzayo ongayithandi wena. Uyasibhalela unayo nje email la ngezansi and tell us your views, tell us your opinions, whatever the case may be. So namhlanje ngihambe ngedwa ngihamba nobafulana obhasha ukuthi whatever happens on the show, on the scene namba ngangiqulu yabo nje anginazi inkonyana ngimncane kakhulu, so whatever happens mawuthi he's there for my safety. So today we have my sister Lana kama like ubhalesa usibhalele wathi there's a situation anayo emsebenzini imenenja yakhe imphethe kahle, so she believes ukuthi she has to voice this out, but because emsebenzini yambhulisha akwazi ukumtshela khona, so she wrote to us and told us to intervene in the situation so she can confront her and tell her ukuthi akayithandi lento ukuthi emsebenzini uyambhulisha akamphethe kahle. So we have her on the show right now. She's going to introduce herself to us and tell us exactly with her words why esibhalele on the show. My sister, how are you doing?
Ngiyaphila njani?
Ngiyaphila nami. Ngicela uintroduce kubantu emakhala abo khona emafonini, kwi-TV, kwi-laptop, whatever the case may be, ubatshele ukuthi ubani, wakabani and why usibhalele kwi-show.
Okay, so igama ngingubhalisa, ngiphuma e-KZN. So ngibhalele kule show because my boss uyangihlukumeza at work, not only me but nabanye futhi abasebenzi, so I want to confront her ngazi isizathu sokuthi yindaba asitreata ngalendlela asitreata ngayo, asitreata like we are not humans. So ngidinga usizo in confronting her because siyamsaba emsebenzini. So I saw this as an opportunity yokuthi ngize ngizomconfront, maybe that way ngizoba safe.
Okay, I see. So in the beginning where lapho saqasha emsebenzini, was everything going well, or vele since uqala nje ukusebenza wavela wakuphatha kabi, or mhlawumbe at some point then things started to change?
Okay, so I've been working there for like a year now. So the first 3 months she was nice, asiphatha kahle, you know, asitreata nje equally, but now uvele wajika nje sibeni waba nje umunye umuntu esingamazi, she's rude nje, asikhona kumtshela lutho, akafuni kuzwa lutho, she does not want to hear ama opinions wethu, and lokho kusenza sifile as if like asilutho. So siyadinga ukuthi sithole isixazululo salento.
So emsebenzini, what's the gender like? Is it like only girls or mhlawumbe bakhona abafana, or how is the situation? Mhlawumbe qasha amantombazane kuphela or there's a mixture of?
Oh, it's only girls.
So she only had girls. Uyena vele on oqasha emsebenzini?
Yes, nguyena. I-company yakhe, so she does everything nje. Basically akadinga usizo, so I don't know why asasigcinile lapha.
Okay, so you're saying that it's not just only you amhlukumezayo but nabanye. Have you guys maybe spoke about it mhlawumbe emakhoneni or nakhuluma naye, or just amongst yourself? Have you tried to come up with a resolution before you even wrote to us, or akaze nikhulume ngayo, akaze nizame ukuthola isixazululo or something like that?
Yes, we did. Sizamile ukuthola isixazululo sakuzama ukukhuluma naye, but njengoba ngishile ekuqaleni akafuni kusizwa, like nje akafuni kuzwa nix ephuma kuthina. So this is the only way esicabanga ukuthi izosinceda sithole isixazululo naye.
Okay, so coming to the show, there's a lot of expectations as a result, so they might happen. It can happen after this, you can lose your job, or she can fight with you after this, or anything can happen. Aren't you feeling like you are risking umsebenzi wakho ukuthi usibhalele and tell us this situation and tell your boss in front of us ukuthi this is what's happening? Aren't you mhlawumbe thinking ukuthi after this you won't have a job, or awunandaba, or mhlawumbe you just want to speak about this for other people in case now ufexosha and then angayenzi lento going forward?
Yeah, it's a huge risk. I-risk enkulu kakhulu, and ngicabangile kuqala and ngi-ready for anything azoyidecide. If I lose my job, then it's fine. At least angeke asaqhubeke, hopefully angeke asaqhubeke nayo, and abanye uzobaphatha kahle emsebenzini. Kodwa I'm hoping ukuthi angangixoshi. Yeah.
Okay, my sister Mina, I'd like to applaud you for what you are doing right now because baningi abantu abasebenzayo and emsebenzini wabo bacindezelekile bahlukumezeka baphethwe kahle ama bosses wabo, but because they have to put food on the table, because they have salaries at the month, they just keep they actually, I don't want to, you know, use vulgar, but they kiss the ass of their bosses, right? So when you came out and you stood out for actually a lot of people, baningi abantu abakanjalo, and I'm sure and I'm glad ukuthi for this episode, for this story that you are bringing to us, baningi abantu abazosizakala, not to be rude to their bosses, but just to come out and say, oh no, angiyithandi, right? So we called iboss yakho, yeah, ikhona njengamanje is behind the scenes. Uma ifika la, I'm just hoping and believing uzokwazi ukuthi confront and tell her everything that is in your chest, because this is the only platform, as you are saying, awukwazi ukukhuluma naye emsebenzini because she's already a bully. So mhlawumbe uthi uyakubhulisha, iziphi nje mhlawumbe akubhulisha ngazo, like mhlawumbe mawuthi neclinisa kakhulu, is it the extra hours or mhlawumbe nithola ama day offs, what's going on, yini la ngibhulisha ngayo emsebenzini?
Okay, so leyo cleaner, yes, usiclinisa kakhulu, and then on holidays tina we are not allowed nje to have holidays. Usebenzisa ama extra hours without paying us, and logo kuyenza ukuthi singabi nesikhathi sokubonda with our families because nathi siyakudinga ukuphumula, but then yena akakuboni logo. Into nje ayifunayo ukuthi icompany yakhe kube yona ethola imali, kube yona nje ehamba phambili, akasicabangeli thina, akabeki our needs phambili, because even if we are sick siyeza emsebenzini uloku ugula ubona ukuthi yazini angikhona ukusebenza, but then ukufuna emsebenzini, and because you have to put ukudla etafuleni, then uyaya and uyasizamile uku-apply to amanye ama companies but asuthola umsebenzi, so lokho kusiphoqelela ekuthenini sihlale lapha noma singasathandi.
So you are telling me that on Christmas, on June 16, on September, whatever the case may be, holidays and from holidays,
nothing, sihlezi sisemsebenzini.
Is there any sort of contract any signed with the manager or do you guys sign a contract just to sebenza kasho like interviewer? Is there any paperwork about your pants? Because we also have to go that further and see what's the contract, what are T's and C's that you guys have on paperwork, what are your rights, do you have annual leave, do you have like maternity leave, do you have paternity leave or something like that? Do you have any contract or just it's a verbal hiring?
It's a verbal hiring. We did not sign any contract, and I think sayilahla lapho.
Okay, so are you ready to go to face and speak to her and tell her your views?
Yes, get ready.
Okay, Nizela Balaleli, my sister here is very concerned, and I believe baningi abantu that are going to be taken or shaken or touched by this story and situation yarasizi, because there's a lot of people that are working and are depressed or are under pressure. Number one, the lesson we are learning here is that when you are getting hired, please make sure that you have a contract nomsebenzi wako so that you can read it and go through it before you agree even to ukusebenza lapho. Please make sure that you know your rights emsebenzini, you know that you have a leave, and so on and so forth. So I'm gonna call my brother here, Upasha, to go and call my sister so she can have with us here and sit with us and explain her story. My brother, can you please call her behind the scenes so we can speak to him? My sister, don't be scared, be free, speak your mind. If anything happens, we're gonna assist you with a job, ne? Dango. As we are patiently waiting. Hello, sistazi. You may just have a seat. Wabuya ngathi umuntu othukile nje.
Ngiyamanga ngisikenzakalana amakhaya.
Okay, no, we are a show called Angiyithandilento. Ngicela nje ukuthi uintroduce, usitshele ukuthi ubani. Inoseso la eduze kwethu uyamazi ukuthi ubani ndomazi kanjani.
Igama nguMbali ngibuya khona la eSoweto. Usisi lo ngisebenza naye.
Usebenza mhlawumbe kanjani uyicolleague yakho mhlawumbe uyena ukuqashile mhlawumbe uqashe wena, what's going on, what's the situation emsebenzini?
Oh hayi usebenza phansi kwecompany yami.
Oh, okay, ngicela nje ukhuleke uhlale kahle nje, asishayani la ekhaya noma nje ufike nobhuto oyisigore, ngicela uhlale kahle ukhululeke nje uhlahlele emumva ukuze sikwazi ukuthi bekubone kahle nabalaleli emakhaya nababukeli futhi.
Ngizakalani la nabo ngimangele ukuthi yini le ingaka azangilethe la.
Hawu kanti wena abasebenzi bakhe bakusurprise mhlawumbe bakushaya ngama birthday gift or mhlawumbe ama present esikhale nje, yini abakuthandi nento abaqashwa bakho?
Hayi angazi ngibone kwenzeka lokho.
Okay, no, it's fine. Before we're wasting any further time, let's just get to the elephant of the show. Right now, my sister, usibhalele on the show, ne? To voice out ama opinions wakhe nama situations wakhe ayenzakalayo. But I don't want to explain to you anything. I want her to explain to you actually why esibhalele the show and why she called you here, ne? Okay, thank you. My sister, explain to her as you explained to us before.
So Mbali, ngibhalele le show nawe ngikubizelana because ngifuna ukwazi imbangela yokuthi yindaba usitreata ngalendlela usitreata ngayo singabasebenzi bakho, usitreata like we are not humans, usitreata as if we are your dogs, usitreata ngathi asibalekile or asinawo amalungelo, and akusiphathi kahle lokho singabasebenzi bakho. So siyadinga ukwazi ukuthi yini imbangela yaloko okwenzayo.
Hayi useyichazele istory sakho ngakhuluma masister ukuthi wena how do you feel about this? Mhlawumbe ike yenzeka before ukhomnto kwakutshente kanje before mhlawumbe do you know or aware that at work or in your company you are bully or mhlawumbe uyaqala nje ukuzwa ngayo namhlanje?
No, ukuthi ngiyamangala ngoba akayazi kimi asakhulume lutho ukuthi yena ngibaphatha kabi. Bona abathi bafuna umsebenzi then ngabanika kumele ngenze njani? Angisibone yiba abathi bafuna umsebenzi. So manje abasafuna ukusebenza kumele ngibenze kanjani?
I see. So she explained to us ukuthi in your company, it's a business, it's registered. Well, we don't know about that. I'm gonna ask you that question. Ukuthi, number one, is your business registered? Because she explained to us before you came, ukuthi awubasayinisa ngama contract bazosebenza emsebenzini. So I would like to know ukuthi mhlambe leyo situation, how do you get to that? Ukuthi abantu emsebenzini ungabasayinisa ama contract mawabaqasha, you just verbally hire them nje kanjalo. Like how is the whole situation happening? Is your business registered? Is it legit? Do you have contracts? It's just only her ungasayinanga, or you're gonna do that after some time. What's the situation around that?
Hayi lokho ngizokwenza ukuthi nje ngisabambekile kancane ngabatshela kodwa nabo yabo isimo sakhona ukuthi konke sangibambile kancane.
So
bebe ufuna ngisumsebenzi so why bengasafuna ukusebenza manje? Yabo bangimangaza.
But uyabaholela kahle every month awuba rope awugeji imali ungabaholanga.
Yeah, ngiyabaholela ngenza sure ukuthi bayithola imali.
My sister, does she skip any month lapho engakhokhelanga or every month nje unethola imali futhi iphelele anindrobheka indaba nje imali?
Yes, uyasiholela every month but akasinikezi yonke. There are some months angeke asinikeze imali iphelele and then uzoza kithi esitshela ukuthi she had an emergency and ubedinga imali, hence why angeke azasiholele imali ephelele. Athi uzosinikeza yona the next month mase iphelele yonke including le ajumpisa inyanga ngayo. So ngiyamangala mekathi usiholela yonke iphelele.
Okay, we're not gonna go deeper into that because indaba zeimali ziqabanisa abantu, but we're gonna try and get to intervene in that later. So she told us before you came in here ukuthi ngama holiday all the time bayasebenza makukhisimusi June 16 mhla 1 ngo New Year every week holiday bayasebenza and basebenza extra hours. So mhlambe what can you say about that? Why do you make abasebenzi bakho basebenza extra hours and also ngama holiday banga emakhaya balokhu besebenza? Why are you making them like slaves like that?
No, angithi umuntu mayinenkinga kumele asho ukuthi ucela ukuhamba. Bayazi ukuthi umsebenzi usebenzayo uvumelekile ukuthi ungahamba uye emakhaya. So nje kumele usebenze yebo. Imali sayidinga. Naba ngisibazele yona ngithi imali. So bona kumele mbe nenkinga befuna ukuhamba besho ukuthi bacela i-off.
So you trying to say ukuthi abacelanga ukuthi laphe on these days badinga leave or something like that?
Yeah, kumele bekhulume kusasenesikhathi ukuthi bacela leave. Yabo into njengalezo sponsoring.
Maybe it happens ukuthi it's because abanayo contract abazi ukuthi mhlawumbe nawo ungeneki mhlawumbe what are you doing when to be friendly to your staff sakho? Because as she's saying now you are not friendly to them, awungeneki nje awuthinteki. What are you doing to try and be welcoming or friendly? Mhlawumbe do you guys get together or welcome the new staff in a nice way? What do you do?
No, mina ngumuntu ohleze busy, ngihlezi ngibusy yabo. Kodwa nje hayi lokho akusho ngiyakumangala mina akaza khuluma.
So we want to know, what do you do as a boss?
No, mina ngihlezi ngingekho yabo umuntu nje ohleze busy yabo maybe isikhathi esiningi ngisichithi nabo ngiwanika nje umsebenzi ngihambe mina ngibe busy ngokunye. Uhlezi ungekho.
Hayi, ungachamba manga.
Hayibo. No. Ngone drama sis. Nguwe nje ungize into engekho la. Uyabona le drama uzoyikhoza la nje. Ayikho
uhlezi ukhona emsebenzini and wena even if ukhona awusiboni siyazama ukukuhlonipha, siyazama ukwenza ukuthi umsebenzi wakho
yaza yikho leyo ichaza ayikho musu yabo lento engenzela yona
ayikho khona. Stop lying phambi kwabantu. Uhlezi ukhona. Uhlezi ukhona.
Yabona uwona inkinga la.
Anginankinga.
Balisa unenkinga nami.
No, anginankinga Mbali. Anginankinga. Okokuqala wena usichitha kabi. Into yesi2 udla amadoda ethu. Udla amadoda ethu.
Ungazomjwayela kabi.
Udla amadoda ethu.
La.
Sinayi proof.
Let's proof him.
See ama-text owasendela amadoda ethu utshela ukuthi bahlangane nawe emahhotela and then uza la uzoqamba amanga phambi kwabantu. No.
Yabona leyo ungazomjwayela kabi.
Angikujwayeli kabi, ngikhuluma iqiniso.
Amadoda okhuluma ngabo
Amadoda ethu lawo wadlayo uhambe nawe emahhotela.
Hayibo sisi. Hayibo.
Sinayi proof sis.
Ikahle umzeleli la uzongijwayela kabi.
Bizela ukuthi ngizokwazi ukuthi wena why usichitha kanje emsebenzini ebese uhamba behind our backs udla amadoda ethu.
Sisi, ngizongijwayela kabi ezwani. Yabona into engizwa umsangano
Sisi undala kodwa lento obehave ngayo. Obehave ngathi uyingane.
Hayibo. Ngiyalingwana.
Manje sinawusitshela nga behind the scenes or manje usibhayele email ukuthi kahle umphathi wakho ukuphatha kabi and behind the scenes
Awunamanga lona, unamanga. Yabona lento le
Angibona manga because bengazi ukuthi if ngizoyisha eqaleni ubezovela asukume ahambe. Ngisho siyamazi ukuthi unjani.
Okay my sister, what is the proof that you have ukuthi wena indoda yakho nabanye ama colleagues emsebenzini?
Sinama chats wabo nabantu bethu. Wena usendela amadoda ethu ama messages ukuthi bahlangane nawe emahhotela bahlangane nawe
Wait, in the first place, how does she get your boyfriend's number? Kwenzeka kanjani?
So uyabona mesi signer, sorry, mesingene emsebenzini, there are times lapho ngisho simnikeza our emergency contact. So ama number wamadoda ethu uwathole kanjalo because we needed ukuthi sibe namuntu ozothi mesingatholakali akhona ukusithola kubona. So wathathe kanjani?
My sister,
ukhuluma nje ayikho uyangijwayela shem. Yabo leyo
Ikhona.
wena ukhuluma nomuntu wakho ungakhulumi nami wayezokhuluma nami khuluma nomuntu wakho
because udla wonke amadoda ethu wena.
wena ungenaphi ke lapho bayavuma bayathanda ngithi nabo bayathanda wena wayengafuni
so you confirming ukuthi ngempela
usile
is she speaking the truth or she's lying?
Usile wayezokhuluma lokho la iTV ke.
Do you want to prove her wrong? Mhlawumbe in a way. Do you want to if you want to prove her wrong, it's fine. We can do it on the show. We always make sure we have the evidence.
We have prove her wrong because uyazi ukuthi iqiniso lento engisho.
Okay. We're going to search the number of your boyfriend ephone yakhe and check the chat what's going on.
Angeke no. Usile.
So unenkinga ngalokho manje.
Usile shem. Yabo le angeke ngiyenze mina. Angeke.
Angisho ufuna ukuveza ukuthi awadla amadoda ethu.
Usile yazi.
Bavumele basesha ifoni
yakho. Ngibona usile. Dala ngakubona usile.
No, let's usile vele. Asibona ifoni yakho.
Usile.
Okay.
Ujebele.
Okay. Okay, asicela ifoni,
Usile akenza itholi. Useka.
Sicela ifoni.
Dala ngambona yazi. Ngeke shem.
Sicela ifoni my sister.
Yabo ngiyahamba ngibhedele into engibizelana.
No, angithi manje sifuna evidence. Funa ukuthi wena uyiprove right.
Why?
Because angathi uyaphika ukuthi yabathi. So we want to see the chats on WhatsApp ukuthi ngikhuluma ngani nabantu bakho.
Usile angeke ngize ngenze into le usile. Uyabona phalisa usile.
If ngisile Mbali. Sibonisa ama chats, sibonise.
Never. Yabo le ayikho. Ubize into engekho. Ayikho into akubizelana lo.
But manje my sister wena awufuna ukuphuma neqiniso ngoba awufuni nawe ukuyiprove njengomuntu right in this situation. Because if you show us the chats on WhatsApp, abasiphethe.
Uletha ikhuluma ayikho. Wake umuntu okay ubuke umuntu akho ke.
Ngimshiya endlini.
Yabo lento le ayikho. Le ikhuluma ayikho vele iyacaca nje.
Telephone my sister. Telephone.
Angikwazi.
Are you sure you want to prove your innocence? Keep your phone. Keep your phone Mbali.
Why kwami
keep your phone kuzobonakala ukuthi ubani onamanga phakathi kwami nawe.
Dala ngibona yazi usile sisi.
My sister, that inkinga yakho yini ngomphone?
Angeke ngikwazi.
No, sifuna ukuprove ke manje ukuthi right ngempela. Angithi umphathi. Sicela ifoni sisi wami.
Ashe ngiyalingwa. Nami. Okay, sanhlangane ngami.
Sifuna evidence. Siyalungisa.
Ashe mangeke ngize ngikhoneke. Ngihlangane ngami la.
Asihlangene ngawo sicela.
Nawe budi nawe phela usuyingena.
Angithi uyaphika nefoni wenqaba nefoni.
Wena usubusy ke usungakuyi.
No, angisho Mbali sizama ukuprove innocence yakho la. If uthi innocent, keep your phone ungalwi. Ayikho into elisa umuntu la.
Ifoni cha ngeke ngiyitholeke ke. Angeke ngize ngithole ifoni.
Kodwa wena uyawazi amadoda ethu.
ayathanda nawo ayathanda bethu singwadle ke.
Okay, my sister, without us taking your phone, check ama chats ke, would you confess right now ukuthi ngempela do you go behind their backs and ulala amadoda? Please tell us the truth ngoba ufuna sibone evidence. Just tell us the truth.
Hayi ngikwazi. Yabo lo msangano nje. Yabona lo msangano.
According to us, you are guilty. You are telling their mans.
Dala ngubona na uhamba nawo. Nihlangene ngani?
Sebenza ngevidence.
Indlela oyiveza ngayo awufuni ifone. Ifone yami why go unixaka ngefone yami?
Okay, no, it's fine. It's fine. We can make things easy. We can make things easy and just cut it like this, but we don't want you now ukumbhekele ngisho. Yabo?
Usile vele waseqala usile. Yinto uhlelo khuluma nami.
Sithi kahle udla amadoda ethu. So kumele siloku sithulile. Awa, no. No, sikhathele, we've had enough. Ngawe mbali. We've had enough. Sikhathele.
Hayi mama ufuna ukula manje. Sikhathele. Usufuna ukula. Hayibo palisa uwelo.
She's not happy, my sis. She's not happy. Honestly.
Hayi ngaze ngamangala.
Mhlawumbe ngenzeka ukuthi mhlawumbe nawe udinga usizo, we can help you in your company. Mhlawumbe if you need psychologists uzokwazi ukuthi intervene and speak to your staff in a nice way. We can do that. We can intervene. Do you need some help mhlawumbe enkampanini yakho? Because mhlawumbe to us it seems like you have a little bit of anger issues avuka njengamanje, and that's proving ukuthi ngempela nasemsebenzini you tend to do this behavior. So if you need help, please tell us. We're gonna help you, my sister, because this is not normal. Ukuthi umsebenzi wakho athi wena uyampulisha emsebenzini udla amadoda, and then on the show you showing us the anger issues. So do you need help for us to help you, or right?
I'm right.
Okay. So my sister, after this, we are really backing on the show. We're not trying to break any relationship, friendship, or employer-employee relationship. So please just bear with us and keep a job. And ngoba ufuna ukumele ubala usitshele ukuthi what's going on, and then you didn't show us the evidence on the phone. So we thank you for your time ukuthi ufike lana, right? But we please want you to continue, make a good stuff. Ngokuthi ezela Tina, she was not trying to make any bad relationship, right, with you. So please just make peace with her, even if you didn't want to show us the evidence after this what's going to happen or what are you doing really with the boyfriends, but keep her job, please.
Angengikwazi usile lo.
Right, nihleli la.
Uphelile. Ucabanga ukuthi baningi abantu abafuna umsebenzi.
Akekho ozosebenzela wena after lento.
Baningi kumanje mangila khona bazosebenza wena. Hamba kanjalo
bazofuna ukuzosebenzela wena.
Uzoyikhulula.
No, mina aqhubeke nomsebenzi phela. Naqhubeke nomsebenzi. Uyamqosha futhi manje uyamqosha.
Uphelile.
Izowa le company yakho.
Right ke na vele angishoti ngawe vele bengashoti ngawe usile yazi
amadoda wabani. Phelile nje wena akekho umuntu osazofuna
But
ukusebenza.
she must keep her job. She's not fighting. She's trying to fix yonke le.
Phelile usile lo. Baningi vele abafuna umsebenzi wena hamba phelile. Njengoba basazoza la wazi siphelile.
Anginandaba. Angihlabeki indawo.
Usile.
Ngijabule kabi.
Unamanga. Usekabi. Sebenzana nobabili. Yazi ngiyafana nobabili.
No, mina ngeke ngikwazi phela ukusebenza naye.
Nobabili nisile.
My sister ngicela ungangifaki lento mina. I was just here to intervene and try and help. Ungangifaki lento. Mina ngiqashiwe wena.
Ayikho into ozoyikhuluma naye sekuphelile.
Iyaphelile vele siyagcinana nje la.
Yes.
My sister, there are companies that are standing for the rights of the workers, so you need to go the right direction. My sister, please keep her job. But I'm sure things happen on the shows and whatever the case may be, but ngiyazi ukuthi uzokhuluma naye after this.
Ayikho into ozophinde ikhulume naye lo. Ayikho. Yabo nje kuphelile. Phelile.
Siphile nje la. Asiphinde nje sibonane mina nawe.
Lalela sikuphelile. Futhi nje lento lo dodo engimzele wona la ukho ingcondo ngihambele ngoba lela nje yona yazini lela hamba. Ufuna ukwenzani uzobukwenzani? Hamba siphelile.
No ningalo phela ningalo.
Uphelile.
I don't care.
Usile.
My sister, we're trying to resolve the situation. Manje uyapi manje bese. Siswami uyabona umsebenzi wakho kulahlekela. We didn't mean that to happen. Uhlale phansi nje just a little bit. We didn't mean umsebenzi wakho ukuphele, but we're going to help you uthola umsebenzi. But uyambona now uthi ngempela she's feeling guilty. She's been doing what you were suspecting. What is your words as we are closing now?
Ukuthi nje angayiqhubeki lento ayenzayo ne. Ashintshe indlela enza ngayo izinto and in future atreat kahle laba abanye abasebenzi azoba nabo and ngifisa nokuthi laba abanye abasebenza babazoba khona abasayinise ama contract and akwazi ukubona umuntu because umuntu ngumuntu ngabantu and if azoqhubeka kanje angeke nje azayendawo futhi nenkampani yakhe angeke iziqhubekele phambili.
That's true, my sister. Whatever she's going with or she's dealing with, maybe there's a mental situation that we have to intervene and assist her with. But lento ikhulumayo and what you brought up on the show is going to help a lot of people. And I believe ukuthi from now on, if anybody wants to speak out, they're going to try and do that. We are really sorry ukuthi manje this happened, but sizozama ukukhuluma naye to get your job back. But if that doesn't happen, you can come to us. We're going to try and assist you and find that job. And once again, thank you so much for coming on the show and try and resolve this issue. Unfortunately, I ended kahle, but we're going to try and assist you going anyway further, right? Thanks, my sister. You can then go. We are going to speak to you. Nani, as we try to resolve the situation, I resolve the but it's very important ukuthi nikhulume ngama situations while nisandawonye, while umuntu esakusebenzela, while you are in a relationship, so that ningakhulumi ngayo after mhlawumbe say ex staff member yakho or mhlawumbe say ex yakho or something like that. Try and resolve situations while everything is still normal, everything is still proper. If now you have a solution or a situation that you want us to bring a solution on, sipalele na email angazansi angiyithandilento on the show with your boy MTB. We are out. Thank